Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on circles. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with a single correct answer. In this question, we are given that the area of the smaller circular region, that is this portion, is half of the area of the larger circular portion, that is this portion. Next, we are asked to determine by how many inches is the diameter of the larger circle longer than the diameter of the smaller circle. Hence, we need to find the difference in the diameters of the larger and the smaller circle. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I'm here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 4. That is, the difference is equal to 2 minus root 2, the whole divided by 2. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So from the figure, we can see that the diameter of the larger circle is equal to 1 inch. Let us call this capital D. Hence, capital D is equal to 1. Now, the area of the larger circle, let us call it capital A, is equal to pi into 1 square by 4 or pi by 4. Thus, we see that the area of the smaller circle, let us call it A subscript s, is equal to half times the area of the larger circle, that is half into pi by 4, that is pi by 8. Now, let us substitute this with pi d square, that is small d square, by 4, where small d is the diameter of the smaller circle. Thus, we see that d square, that is small d square, is equal to 1 by 2. Thus, small d is equal to 1 by root 2 or root 2 by 2. Now, all we need to do is find the difference between the two diameters, that is capital D minus small d, which is equal to 1 minus root 2 by 2, which is equal to 2 minus root 2, the whole divided by 2. That is, the correct answer is option 4. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.